Hello, it's a chilly old Thursday the 6th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So we've got the MPC rate decision today. We've not heard much by way of advanced guidance to suggest whether they have a more proactive or reactive persuasion right now, but solely looking at the data, the vote is still very difficult to call. Those in favour of a reactive policy would point to how inflation is still above the 2% target. Yes, we may have briefly touched 2% last year, but we have drifted higher since then. A proactive rate cut would certainly be welcomed by Chancellor Reeves. That's where the economy is really struggling for growth under her stewardship, and forecasts are being cut left, right and centre, increasing the chance that she will be facing a choice between spending cuts or higher taxes pretty soon. Over in the US, monetary policy is still leaning towards further rate cuts this year. That is despite the uncertainty surrounding the Trump administration, his plans on tariffs, and what happens when somebody finally explains that lower rates and lower inflation don't go well together. I mean, odds on the crayons will be hurled around the Oval Office, but the uncertainty is around what happens next when those crayons are back in the box. The broad consensus is for the Fed to keep rates on hold for a while they wait and see. Wait and see what Trump does next, wait and see on inflation, and also wait and see what happens in the job market. And speaking of that, it is the first Friday of the month tomorrow, so brace yourself for the non-farm sweepstake. ADP private sector data suggested a robust labour market continues to grow. That was 183,000 jobs reported, and last month's data was revised higher by about 54,000 as well. So the non-farm headline should be a pretty solid number again, and the current forecast is for around 170,000. The dollar index continued to fall, reaching 107.30 yesterday, and sterling broke short-term resistance. That peaked around 125.50 against the dollar. We kick off this morning around 124.80 against the dollar, 120.15 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 103.90 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Tomorrow's the sweepstake.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.